Righto, this is how we clip it all in. So you push these cable ties in to there, as I said, and then you pull it. That's why you don't pull those plugs out. And then just snip the little, yeah, you can do the other, Kev. Might as well just clip them all up. Not sure what I can see in this video. Because those white, the reason we don't pull them out of, you can pull them out of the donor car, but do not pull these out of this car, you know, the car you're converting, because they generally snap. The little lug inside, it just snaps off, which is a nightmare, I think.
Like so.
Yeah, they snap off. Come on, Kev, get on with it, mate. So yeah, so that's the reason we don't cut those off. And you got one more there.
No one there too.
Yeah, mate. It's hard to get good help these days. And the old original one that we didn't cut at the time, we cut it now. Beautiful. What else is there? Any more? Okay, one over there. And then just cut those little lugs off. You can do that. Yeah, they're tight. Yeah, they're tight enough. Yeah, just snips them off. Yeah. Oh, you're over there. Sorry, I can't see in the video in this light. There you go. Beautiful. And that's pretty much it, and that's how they look. So yeah, awesome.